Hello students, in this question an unpolarized light is incident on a plane surface of refractive index mu at a particular angle of incidence I, and it is said that the reflected and refracted rays are perpendicular to each other. Now you have to choose the correct option. That reflected light is polarized with its electric vector parallel to the plane of incidence. Second option is reflected light is polarized with its electric vector perpendicular to the plane of incidence. Third option, I equals to sine inverse 1 by mu, and the last option is I equals to tan inverse 1 by mu. Now for this question you have to understand the basic principle of polarization and especially polarization by deflection. Regarding polarization of reflection, we have a clear law which is known as Brewster's law. According to Brewster, if an unpolarized light is incident on the surface of separation between two media, now this is a typical symbol of unpolarized light. The dot represents electric vector perpendicular to the plane and the simple arrow means vector parallel to the plane of the page. This is incident unpolarized light. This is the reflected light. And according to Brewster's, if this incident light is incident at a particular angle of incidence known as IP or angle of polarization or Brewster's angle, then the reflected light becomes completely plane polarized and see the electric vectors are dot, that means perpendicular to the plane, and the refracted light is partly polarized. See, you have a mixture of simple lines and lines with dots. So this is partly polarized refracted light. And the angle between the reflected and refracted light is 90 degree. And if you look at the question, you will see it is also given that the angle between reflected and refracted light is 90 degree. According to Brewster's law, the relative refractive index of the second medium with respect to first medium is tan of IP. So mu equals to tan of IP. Therefore, clearly the third and fourth options are incorrect. Now, see, in the reflected light, the electric vectors are dot. That means the electric vectors are perpendicular to the plane of the page. Therefore, clearly option 2 is correct. And as I mentioned earlier, 3 and 4 are already incorrect. So thank you for watching this video.